Everyone, today in this video I'm going to be programming a 10-year-old phone. And now you might be wondering, why the fuck would I even do that? Now, I have a very simple answer to that. It's because I can and because I have the hardware, so yeah. Also, this video can be used as a guide. I'm going to be programming the Garmin Asus. It has Windows 6.5 on it. The specs of the phone should be on screen, and yeah. And that's about it. Okay, so I have got Visual Studio set up and I am working on the app now, and I'm just gonna put like some options, some random stuff that it can do. And right now it works. I have run it with debugger, it works. There is nothing else. It doesn't do really anything. It's just a button here, which is very easy to do even normally. And yes, it's a pain, Visual Studio 2008, but hey, it is what it is. But it works, so yeah, so far it's good. I'll keep y'all guys updated.
Od Steve'a Jobse, Mona Lisa od Da Vinci.
Okay, so this is an update. I have actually just added the feature, and what it does is I have written a function to play a song from the resources, the embedded resources, and I have an MP3 file. Hold on, wait, what? An MP3 file. Wait, there's something very wrong here. Oh, yeah, wrong file. I've converted it and I've somehow managed to insert the wrong file. Oh well. Either way, I now have a WAV file, and it's gonna play that from the embedded resources, so yeah. So now it's basically what I'm making is like that fucking like this fucking soundboard type shit app, like the back in the day those apps were pretty popular, but yeah, it's kind of like a basic app, so it's kind of, you know, easy to like make something like this, and it's also pretty fucking useless, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, this is the progress so far. I'm going to just add more sound effects and stuff, and that's about it. After a real long time, I've been there working on a feature right now, like that basically when you play something it says what you're playing, and after a real long time I realized that this doesn't have to be static, and that's the issue. And well, I fixed it like that, so yeah, now I'm gonna write the rest of this function, so that's gonna be really cool. So yeah. Alright. Let's test it out. Bro, you actually gotta be fucking kidding me. Okay, thank god. It fucking crashed. Lolly. Okay. It didn't update it, even better. Lovely. It's still going, alright, so that's great. Bro, it's still going.
Which bumbo clot dog I am? Cause this morning I wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog.
I think it's legitimately
What
lagging.
kind of little bumbo clot dog this I'ma give? You can't bark louder blood clot. You can't defend me and me.
It's day 2 now. I have finally managed to transfer the fucking exe file onto the phone. And yeah, it took way too long to actually do that. Yeah, it's kind of obvious because like most of the ways that people did that back in the day, like transferred files, are not working anymore. And yeah, this phone uses 2G, so you can't even connect to Wi-Fi. It supports FTP, but when you don't have Wi-Fi, then it's useless. So what I did, I've just used Bluetooth. Alright, so let's try and run the app. Hopefully it works, so it would suck if it didn't. Yes. Oh my god, it works. Let's. This is so stupid. Dude. This is lovely. Bro, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Hold on. Hold on, I'm really happy for the crash phone one. I don't know if it will work, so we'll see. Alright. Let's crash the phone. Yeah, it just crashed everything. It just crashed everything. Alright, it just restarted. It crashed, but it restarted the iExplorer even though the iExplorer crashed.